In this video, we will demonstrate how to create the simple game Rock, Paper, Scissors in C# as a console application. First, let's review the rules of the game. Rock, Paper, Scissors is played between two players who, on the count of 3, choose rock, paper, or scissors at the same time. Then a comparison is made between what the players chose. You can either win, lose, or draw. There is a circular balance to the game. Paper beats rock, scissors beats paper, rock beats scissors. This is a simple example of a perfectly balanced game. Let's build our own version in C# so that we can play. To begin, open up your favorite IDE. For this video, I will use JetBrains Rider. Choose to create a new solution and select a console application. I will use the default settings and place the application in a pre-selected folder. Once my IDE loads, I will pseudocode the logic for the game using comments. First, we should prompt the user instructing them on what to do. Choose their option by accepting the first letter of the option they want, either R, P, or S. Then we will need to have our opponent, the computer, randomly select an option as well. After that, we will compare the options and determine the outcome of the game. Finally, we will display the outcome of the game. Now that we have the plan, we will code this out. Let's first adjust the console.writeLine function call to show our prompt instead of Hello World. Next, we will use console.readLine to accept the selection from the user. For our computer opponent, we will declare an array to hold all possible options, in this case, rock, paper, or scissors. Next, we will generate a random number between 0 and 2 to be used as the index. This effectively selects an option randomly. Let's output to the screen what you chose and what your opponent chose to make it easier to see what is going on with another console.writeLine. Then we will write the logic to determine the outcome using the if, else if, else structure. First, check if the options are the same. If they are, then that means it's a tie. Next, check for the 3 possible options you can choose to see if you win. Finally, if you didn't win, then in the else condition, if we've gotten this far into the algorithm, that means we lose, because this executes top-down. Once we have everything put together, let's test it out. This is great, it works, but we have to reload it every time we want to play. Let's move this into an infinite loop and add a way to quit by entering the letter Q instead. That way, we can play endlessly. Enjoy. Thanks for watching.